So there are two pools here. One over here by the Recreation and Fitness Center. And it's a smaller pool, but it has also depths of 3.5 feet on one side, up to 8.5 foot on the other. And the other main pool, a little bit larger, but also has a shallow end and a deep end as well. Of course, just over here by Gatorville, which here on Saturdays will be opening up right around noontime, and we'll have a happy hour and daily specials all day long. What you doing?
Swimming.
Swimming. It's a good day for swimming.
A photo bomb.
Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Right now we've got the whole pool to ourselves. Just the early part of the day. Nice and cool. Hasn't gotten way too hot just yet. And of course the pool will get a lot busier later today. Later on Gatorville will open up. Poolside bar and grill. But for now, just kind of enjoy the early part of the day. So, thought we'd enjoy a little bit of a few minutes here in the pool over there. You can see Icon Park. It's actually Starflyers is right there, really close. Right over there is the wheel. I'm gonna be going up in the wheel later today. Yeah, first time up in the wheel, get to see Orlando from high up above. Kids are really excited about doing that, but so am I, just to kind of see what it's gonna look like up there. But you know, it's nice to kind of chill in the pool. Blue skies, enjoy a little bit of time. Don't get to just kind of take it easy like this very often. A lot of time we're just kind of going, right? So, enjoy days like this. So now it's noon, which means Gatorville is open. I love the fact that the windows just retract and open up the entire space. Kind of cool. I wish we had something like that in our house.
Right?
We can just open all the windows up.
Yep. With some of those awesome fans.
So they're happy hours for the next several hours actually. Lots of specials here and there. You can either take a drink over to the pool or grab yourself something to eat. All day long happy hours. Good afternoon, how are you today? So in their happy hour, you guys can see, Thursday and Friday from 12 to 8, and Saturday is from 11 to 8, any time of the day. Jump in the pool, have yourself something to drink, have yourself something to eat. They have wings.
They have wings. If we come back to the pool later, we should get wings.
Gatorville chicken wings. And they're gluten-free, of course.
They are gluten-free.
So they have hand-breaded chicken tenders. How are those gluten-free? Interesting.
Maybe they have a gluten-free version.
Probably have a gluten-free version. But
Yeah.
red pepper hummus, quesadillas, chicken wings, chicken tenders, chips and salsa, of course, plenty of drinks. So, had some fun at the pool this morning, chilled out. Now we're gonna head on out to the hotel and just walk over to grab something to eat because it's really just across the way. So, head on down to I-Drive. Also have some more fun maybe over at Icon Park as well. So, we're gonna just be walking over to grab something for lunch. And then later on this afternoon, we're gonna head over to the wheel to get some really cool, spectacular views up in the air of the Orlando area. You can see we're just right over where the pool area is. There's actually two pools. This is the gym. Really cool fitness center. It's really spacious. A lot of machinery in there. And just to show you how close we are, that's the Star Flyers right there at Icon Park. And later on this afternoon after lunch, we're going to be going up in the wheel. I'm excited. Doesn't look like much from the side, does it? It looks so much better from the other side. And so just a few steps away from the resort rooms, just left. This is iDrive. We're on the back side of all these major restaurants here. Some of our favorites. So you just walk over, grab something to eat. We'll hit the sidewalk, which is what we're going to be doing, and heading on down to Icon. It's kind of shocking is even though we're this close to International Drive, you can't hear any of them from the resort. So you kind of forget that you're that close. But lots of cool places just within walking distance. What do you guys want for lunch?
What do we want for lunch?
One really cool thing about Icon Park, it's free parking. So we've got our tickets. She's ready to go up to the skies. Play party on the sky. Head on up to the Orlando skyline. You guys excited?
Very. They just disinfected this one, so we're going to get on the next one that's already been cleaned.
That's lucky number 17.
Yep.
Thank you. Whoa.
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
See you in about 20 minutes, okay?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Oh boy. Anybody scared of heights like me? Anybody else scared of heights? Me? Okay, we got two. At least you're not.
I'm doing fine.
We're going to see parts of Orlando we've never seen before.
And welcome aboard the Wheel.
Oh, stop.
You have embarked on a wondrous 400-foot ascent into the Central Florida sky. Cruising at a leisurely 1 mile per hour, you'll get to know the sights of Orlando aboard the tallest observation wheel on the East Coast. Be sure to have your cameras ready and take a moment to locate the north, south, east, and west markers above the windows so you know where to look. Gazing out over this thriving city, it's hard to believe that what you see began as lakes, wetlands, and palmetto prairie. But something about Orlando has always held a special fascination for dreamers who came from far and wide to make their visionary ideas reality. While today, most people know us for our theme parks and first-class hospitality, the story of Orlando and its legacy of dreams goes back thousands of years when the original wheel was the hot new tech. In the beginning. Well, okay, actually about 12,000 years ago, the first human set foot in the region now known as Central Florida Empire. These explorers found the temperate climate made for growing citrus and planted
Alright,
the
can you
region's
see any of
first
the parks?
trees.
I can see Volcano Bay.
I see Volcano Bay.
Abundance soon spread, driving more European colonization. By the early 1800s, few settlers obtained
Yeah, I
large
see
sections of
Dr.
Orlando's
James Spearfall.
and part of Mosquito County.
I can see the
Besides
slingshot.
a few lawless outposts,
Slingshot,
and some
I see the fun spot.
The area was largely
Wow.
unoccupied.
Can you see Epcot?
The region had grown so much
Spaceship
that
Earth?
it was a city.
I can also see
Was born.
Guardians of the Galaxy
And
ride.
soon, a new wave of dreamers was
You
knocking at its
can.
door.
What's that?
You can see the building for the new Guardians of the Galaxy coaster.
Wow, it's so big you can see the Guardians of the Galaxy building from here?
The 20th century ushered in an industrial revolution, opening minds to new spheres of opportunity, including the
Oh,
stratosphere.
I can see it. There we go.
After World War II, the country's fixation turned to rockets. Orlando found itself at the center of space fever when aerospace giant Martin Marietta, later
So
Lockheed
big.
Martin, established
Spaceship Earth in the
airplanes.
wilderness. Thanks so far.
He could hear
awesome.
We're taller than the Sky Flyers at this point.
Own the sky.
Oh wow.
I think we've officially, we're coming to the top
We're
now.
pushing to the top.
Congratulations! You're owning the sky like a true
Oh my
Orlando
gosh, we are at the
dreamer
top.
from 400 feet in the air. For good measure, that's taller than the Magic Kingdom Cinderella Castle and Universal Studios Hogwarts.
That's true. The tallest park features at Walt Disney World are just less than 200 feet. So we're twice as tall as
I'll introduce you to some
any of those
my
attractions.
favorite
We're
hometown
twice as
spots.
tall as Cinderella's Castle, Tower of
You
Terror,
see something that looks
and
like
Expedition
no other
Everest.
place in the Central Florida skyline. The sparking
Every once in a while.
From what I hear,
Oh
my gosh.
himself, but I think the wheel still has a few inches on him. Directly east
I can
on
see
the
all
other
of the
side
parks at
the
Universal.
floor Are the rooftops of
I
Lockheed
just saw
Martin's
a
Missile
car
Fire
shoot out of
Control
the Hulk.
Facility.
You just saw an Incredible Hulk park. So
So
I wonder where the new Universal Park is going to be. I wonder. All right, we are taller, or as tall as the no-no swings, just on the other side. No. Hey, just guess what, guys? Just a few dollars more, and we can swing around in the air as tall as we are right now. Yeah. Woo! Party time.
Whoa! Is the largest roller coaster in Orlando.
Yeah.
In addition to world-class thrills, SeaWorld is home
Oh,
to
yes, sure.
hundreds
Those
of
nice
rescued
here.
and rehabilitated fish, ocean animals, and other creatures. SeaWorld has grown to include the interactive dolphin experience at Discovery Cove and aquaticization, a process that rids canned drinks of metallic flavor. Today, the Dr. Phillips Foundation supports all kinds of local community service and arts organizations.
Now you can look down into Icon Park. Huge area, huge restaurant area, but it looks so tiny from up here.
Rotating wonder at the World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago. The Ferris wheel was
So, can you guys would imagine what it's going to look like at
over
nighttime?
70 tons in solid iron.
Probably can't see as far, but probably still pretty
The lights
impressive.
would be pretty
The
cool.
lights on the wheel would be pretty nice.
The cabins were converted railroad cars, each outfitted with rotating chairs, so riders were literally at the height structure spokes, spindles, and hubs. When the wheel opened back in 2015, it was the second tallest attraction of its kind in the United States and the fifth largest in the entire world. Laying on top of an observation wheel. Pretty iconic,
So this
right?
attraction is what, about 5 years old because it opened in 2015?
Of course, feats of daring aren't the only skyscraping spectacular the wheel has to offer. The wheel is programmed with 5 unique lighting effect sequences, and every night you can watch this big guy illuminate the Orlando skyline with its colorful light shows. Attention!
All right, so we've been seeing this wheel across the Orlando skyline for years, probably ever since they first opened up in 2015. This is pretty exciting that we get to finally come up here. So thank you, the Icon Park and the Wheel, for inviting us to let us come up here.
Thank you so much.
This is it's really cool.
It's a
view.
very unique experience.
And I would say probably worth coming back up here at nighttime. I'd love to see it at nighttime.
Definitely.
So to see so much of Orlando just from area. Wow, it seems like we've been up here forever, but it's only about what,
18 minutes.
18-minute flight as you go all the way around.
If you're craving food, Icon Park has dozens of dining options, from light bites to full meals. Whether you're in the mood for burritos, burgers, sushi, or sweets, Icon's got your taste buds right here.
And so each car is air conditioned.
It's
It's nice and cool in here, even in the hottest days.
Sizzling eats, and some potent potables. And what better place to get a little buzz on
Very
than
comfortable.
400 feet
Definitely.
aboard the Wheel Sky Bar. So
It's air conditioned, so you're not hot even on a
Attention
hot
flyers!
Orlando day.
We're approaching Wheelhouse Station. I hope you enjoyed your flight aboard the wheel. It's been a blast sharing with you the sights and stories of my home, Orlando. You're one of the family now, and if you took any cool family pics on your journey, be sure to tag them at Icon Park Orlando or hashtag Icon Park on social media. I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here in the city beautiful or wherever your travels take you. Please stand clear of the opening doors.
Each car is disinfected as everyone leaves out, so everyone gets a clean, sanitized wheel ride up to the sky. Of course, you can't get to any attraction anywhere in Orlando without ending up in a gift shop afterwards. Cool things for wheel, Icon Park, including hats, shirts, and other souvenirs to remember your trip up and in the air through magnets. Who doesn't love a good magnet? All right, we just went up into the sky here in Orlando. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
What about you, who was afraid to stand up? You sat down the whole time. Did you still enjoy it?
The view was beautiful, but I did not want to stand up.
You didn't want to stand up. I get it. I understand. But I still felt very safe. I'm scared of heights, and I felt pretty good up in there. So it felt very stable. It didn't shake around a lot, and you get to see so many cool things. So it's like a different view of what we already know. But if you're not familiar with Orlando, it really kind of gives you a sense of where everything is.